Hello everyone, wherever you are. Welcome to my channel and thank you for your interest to watch this video. This is Contractual Capsules video series, where I am providing topics about construction contracts to stakeholders in the construction domain worldwide, and to support the profession by elaborating on some definitions for reducing the numbers of doubts, conflicts, and disputes among the involved parties. It is important to highlight that any content in this channel and this video represents the narrator's opinions and experiences with no liability or obligation regarding how, when, or where you use this content and for what purpose. Today's topic is how to prepare for and to start a civil engineering career. Civil engineering is the science of building the world and shaping the nation's future. Since the dawn of human civilization, people have been practicing what we now call civil engineering long before they even knew such a profession existed. Early humans built shelters, carved caves into mountainsides, developed primitive transportation systems, and constructed boats to cross rivers and seas. They relied on instinct, observation, and trial and error to solve the challenges of survival. Although our ancestors lacked modern engineering knowledge, their achievements laid the foundations of the civil engineering profession as we know it today. Through generations, they passed on invaluable knowledge, allowing societies to improve their quality of life, develop infrastructure, and build great civilizations. In fact, civilization and civil engineering have always gone hand in hand. No society can thrive without construction and infrastructure. Much of what we know about ancient civilizations comes from the structures they left behind: their temples, roads, bridges, monuments, dams, buildings, and tombs. These enduring achievements preserve not only their history, but also their engineering knowledge and craftsmanship. Today, civil engineering remains one of the most rewarding and influential professions in the world. However, it is a field that demands dedication, continuous learning, improvement, incorporation of modern technologies, and the development of strong technical and interpersonal skills. If you or your child are considering a future in civil engineering, start preparing early. Focus on building a strong foundation in mathematics and physics during elementary, middle, and high schools. Strive for academic excellence to maximize your opportunities for admission into any reputable engineering program. Once you enter university, you will have placed your first foot on the engineering ladder. While pursuing your studies, consider seeking internships, volunteer opportunities, or part-time positions with construction companies whenever possible. Classroom education will provide the theoretical foundations, but practical experience will not come from classes. You should go to the battlefields, as it will help you understand how engineering principles are applied in the real world. Work hard and study diligently. Most importantly, do not treat lectures casually. Every words, materials, or references from your lecturers or concept matters. Focus on understanding rather than memorizing. True engineers solve problems because they understand principles, not because they have memorized formulas. Train yourself to observe the world around you. Every construction site you pass on your way to university, work, shopping, or travel can become a valuable learning experience. Ask yourself, what is being built? How is it being built? What challenges might the project team be facing? In many engineering programs, the first year serves as a preparatory year where students study general engineering subjects before selecting their specialization. After choosing civil engineering, you may spend additional years learning core disciplines before deciding where to focus your career. Civil engineering offers a wide range of specialties, including building construction with its diversified categories: residential, industrial, medical, security, defense, hospitality, recreational, and educational, transportation and highways, railways and metro systems, airports, seaports and marine structures, dams and hydropower projects, water and wastewater treatment plants, power generation facilities, tunnels and underground structures, infrastructure networks, mining facilities. Each specialization presents unique challenges and opportunities, but they all contribute to shaping the world around us. One piece of advice I strongly believe in is this: the best engineers develop a solid understanding of site construction on ground before moving into other areas of the construction business profession. Whenever possible, seek opportunities that expose you to both site engineering and quantity surveying, commonly known as QS. Even if your long-term ambition is to become a designer or consultant, practical construction experience will make you a stronger professional. In my experience, the most effective consultants are those who thoroughly understand how projects are actually built. It is also important to understand that civil engineer is not a job title. It is a professional qualification that opens the door to many different career paths under construction umbrella, such as site or project engineer, quantity surveyor, planning engineer, project coordinator, design engineer, land surveyor, safety engineer, procurement engineer, estimation engineer, tender engineer, contracts administrator or manager, quality assurance and quality control engineer, construction manager, project manager or project director, and many other new professions that are created to micromanage projects and ensure their success. So, ask yourself, what type of engineer do you want to become? Do you enjoy being on site, working closely with construction teams, manage the site resources and manpower, solving practical challenges, and leading operations in the field? Or do you prefer office-based work, coordinating teams, analyzing data, managing contracts, and supporting project delivery from a strategic perspective? If your goal is to become a highly capable project manager or construction leader, to spend significant time on project sites during the early stages of your career, at least 2 full projects from inception till the full handing over. The construction site is always the ultimate true classroom for civil engineers after graduation. There, you will learn how to read and interpret engineering drawings, understand specifications and technical requirements, analyze contract documents, plan construction activities, allocate labor, equipment, and materials, manage productivity and performance, identify and mitigate risks, control project schedules, respond to unforeseen conditions and challenges, deal with stakeholders on daily basis, manage resources, how to execute each activity and how trades interface and learn coordination requirements, how time, costs, and cash flow are important to monitor and control. As you see, the lessons learned in the field cannot be fully replicated in any university or college. On the other hand, if you see yourself pursuing a more office-oriented career path as I personally did, I would still strongly recommend gaining substantial site experience first, preferably on large and complex projects, then jump up to office level. Mega projects often expose engineers to a wide variety of construction activities, systems, stakeholders, and challenges. By participating in such projects, you develop a broader understanding of the industry and build the practical foundation necessary for success in office-based roles. In this path, quantity surveying becomes particularly valuable. A skilled QS supports multiple departments and the higher management too, and plays a critical role throughout the project lifecycle. Their work helps organizations estimate and quantify project scope, prepare budgets and cost plans, develop project schedules, procure materials and equipment, manage subcontractors, manage bottom-up and top-down payments, draft, negotiate, and administer contracts, evaluate claims and variations, resolve disputes, measure project performance and profitability, control costs, close out projects at completion. In many respects, quantity surveyors are the unsung heroes of modern construction projects. Their contributions often determine whether a project succeeds or fails financially. As you progress through your career, remember that earning a good income is important. However, during the early years of your professional journey, your primary focus should be learning, not earning. Invest your time in observing, reading, asking questions, practicing, and gaining as much experience as possible. The knowledge and skills you build during these years will generate returns for the rest of your life. I once heard a wise man say, "Experience gained at aging is like the brush life gives us after we have lost our hair." So, the volume of knowledge acquired over time is always valuable, but it becomes even more rewarding to us when gained earlier enough when we are young to shape our future as we grow. So, be curious, be humble, work hard, learn continuously, before playing hard. In conclusion, the structures you build may stand for generations, but the engineer you become will determine how far your career can reach. Try to give a permission for the projects you build to build your personality. And remember that you are created for the greatest mission on this planet, to inhabit and build it. We reached to the end of today's video. If you liked our content, kindly support us by like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and colleagues to spread the benefit. Also, write a comment to us or send your query and I will respond too. You may also visit our website, consemaze.com, and search for and download our world's first mobile app, Consemaze, to access our construction contracts consultancies for free if you have a specific query. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.